While there are specialty preparations you'll want to have, handy tailored to your family's particular health needs, there are a few standard elements that are useful to have in almost any herbal medicine chest. Some of those are here. The all-purpose salve. This would be a good all-purpose preparation that is antiseptic, speeds healing, and soothes inflamed tissues. Plantain, St. John's wort, lavender, thyme, poplar bark, and balsam poplar buds, or combinations, are possible herbs to include in this salve. An antiviral tincture. When a virus runs through the house, it can take away everyone's energy, even for those who don't get the bug. I consider a good antiviral tincture or syrup indispensable and essential to have ready to use. St. John's wort, raw garlic, honey, red clover, and thyme are all good ingredients for helping the body's immune system ward off invading viruses. An astringent wash. A mild astringent is handy for relieving mild sunburns, stanching bleeding from cuts, soothing insect bites, relieving swollen tissues, and cleansing the face. Dilute rose leaf tincture with 2 parts water and use as a wash. For a stronger action, use walnut leaf tincture. Balsam poplar bud tincture. To prevent tapeworm, paint the skin with this tincture before applying tape or bandages. Bruise and sprain treatment. Dry plantain leaf, lavender blossom, and poplar bark work well for treating these conditions. Make a tea and lay on the affected area in the form of a poultice to help speed healing and reduce inflammation. Cough and cold relief. A jar of pine pitch is indispensable for these conditions. Use it as a steam pot to break out congestion, or mix it in a salve with peppermint so it can be rubbed on the chest or sore, aching muscles. A few pieces of dry mallow root are also important to have. Chewing on this root helps relieve a sore throat. You could also make peppermint thyme cough drops, which simultaneously aid the body's immune system and soothe a sore throat. Add mullein, violet, poplar, or garlic to help break up congestion. Disinfectant. Thyme, garlic, lavender, poplar bark, and white pine are all antiseptic by themselves. To disinfect cuts, wash with a tea made from one of these herbs, or make a rubbing alcohol tincture from the herb for a healing disinfectant. Hangover relief. Borage oil is used for rebuilding the strength after a debilitating illness and as a quick remedy for a hangover taken along with a piece or two of candied ginger. It also makes an excellent topical oil for dry, itchy skin. Nausea, indigestion, and motion sickness relief. These conditions can be alleviated by sucking on a few pieces of candied ginger, which is handy to have and stores for a considerable length of time. Also, peppermints or candies made from lavender or catnip might help. Please make sure that you check side effects for people that are expecting or pregnant. Pain relief. It can be difficult to be always brewing up teas when in pain. Make a tincture of vinegar to have on hand. Lavender and poplar bark are good for general pain relief. Lemon balm, catnip, and oat straw add a calming dimension as well. Use internally or externally as needed. A salve for cuts, scrapes, wounds, and burns. When I need more than a simple salve, I turn to white pine pitch, the original liquid band-aid. Though it might collect dirt on top, the pitch makes an airtight bandage that is antiseptic underneath. Cover it with a piece of tissue to keep it from sticking to everything. As long as there is no infection, do not remove old pitch. Instead, keep applying new fresh pitch until the cut is healed. A salve made from balsam poplar buds will have similar qualities and is good if your skin is sensitive to white pine pitch. A styptic. From bleeding from razor cuts, keep some powdered peppermint leaf on hand. Just a sprinkle will stop the bleeding. In the next lesson, we're gonna learn what is the necessary equipment and supplies needed, and we're gonna observe the first rule of first aid.